It was a little cold this morning too.
It's too cold. My shit doesn't.
I'm doing a walk around video. Here's my gas. Shining in the light. We got Mike's Beta 500 4-stroke. Fuel injected. ZF suspension. After this ride, he's finna get a new tire. Got some high-rise bars on it. Scroll attachment, LED screen. Very, very nice. And then we come to the KTM. Pretty much the same thing as the fucking gas, but 2020. Got the carbon fiber pipe guard, which is very nice. Temperature gauge, courtesy of me. Just needs like side plastic. Just get a little side plastic right here. Gonna lay a brand new bike. Gonna lay a brand new bike. Look at that. Orange hubs. Like, come on now. Those getting polished. I mean, this bike's gonna be bar none, huh? I think you gotta turn the bike on to see his hours, though. Yeah, you do. So we're not gonna do that. Here we go. We got Dustin's TW. Brought it brand new from the dealership floor. How long you had it, Dustin? 3 months? 3 months. This thing's a fucking tank. And he's got the full radio, CB radio set up with a charger in there. He's got the phone charger hooked up with the phone holder. This thing's mint. I want one of these for me and my girl. I keep saying that. She won't ride dirt bikes, but she might ride that. We got Greg's bike. YZ250X 2016 model. That blue spark on there. Close clutch, auto clutch. Oversized tank. Aftermarket headlight. With the switch, on-off switch hidden here in the seat, which is very nonchalant. We have a 2006 maybe? 06?
I have no idea,
05. We're gonna call it 05. That's a good mix. Yeah, I think it's an 05. I think he told me it's 05 before. Full FMF. Bikes came from Cali. And it's disgusting right now, but once she shined up, I'm telling you, she's the cleanest KDX you ever seen in your life. Now, everybody's bike looks disgusting right now. My point was really, though, this is the cleanest KDX I've ever seen in my life. And it still is. I mean, unless you get one that's never been ridden. Damn.